Hi guys, welcome to this session by Reed Eisenhart. He is from Phillips 66 and he'll be telling us about photoactive polymers tailored to industrial printing. So what will happen now, as usual, is that I will leave the stage and the stage will belong to Reed. He will have about 18-20 minutes of presentation. The room will remain open for an additional 10 minutes if you guys have questions. I encourage you to write your questions on the side as usual. We'll read out all the questions live. And then after this session, we happen to have the break, and then we'll try to ask everyone in the audience to enter into the networking lounge, and you can find all the speakers there and also hopefully many members of the audience there too. So without further ado, Reed, the stage is yours. You can now start.
Okay, thanks for the introduction. Good morning, everyone. Thanks for attending my talk and being so punctual. I know how it is. I think I have not seen the intro to anyone's presentation all morning. So maybe you're in for a treat. Maybe this is your first intro of the morning. It's definitely mine. I'm glad to be here. I'm thankful for the invitation. I'm Reed Eisenhart. I'm the Director of Solar Energy at Phillips 66. Here's a brief introduction to our company. We're mainly focused on oil and gas. We're a company that's been around a long time, about 100 years. I work at our research center, which we call our Energy Research and Innovation Center, which I show here in this picture as an aerial view. Everything to the left of that main road is our research center. As you can see, a lot of different laboratories, 440 acres, 250 labs. Our research center has been around for about 70 years. As part of that, we have 6 solar energy labs, and we have a long history of success here at the research center. Our most notable achievement is the discovery of high-density polyethylene and polypropylene. Other innovations, a lot of things in fuels. So back in the day, a lot of fuel innovations came here from our research center in Oklahoma in the United States. But what are we doing today? Now we are working, we're doing some research on hydrocarbons, of course, but we are also researching energy technologies of the future. I'm part of a larger research group called Energy Transition at Phillips 66, which is made up of a few different research initiatives. Organic photovoltaics, like I'll discuss today, is our solar energy research. In addition, we are studying solid oxide fuel cells and also the reverse of that, so making hydrogen from renewable energy. We have a large program in batteries where our company is already very involved in producing anodes for lithium-ion batteries. Our materials are in many commercial lithium-ion batteries. We say probably about half of iPhones contain our graphitic anode materials. In addition, the company is involved in other energy transition activities like hydrogen refueling stations, and we've recently announced that we're going to build the world's largest renewable fuels plant, which will produce 50,000 barrels a day of renewable diesel and renewable jet fuel from waste fats, oils, and greases. So our OPV research is all around our class of materials, or our brand of materials, called our Shield Power OPV polymer brand. So we are trying to stand up a business selling high-performing polymeric materials for active layers of OPVs. And our intention is that our Shield Power materials will solve 3 of the biggest challenges for OPV scale-up, which is high performance with thick films. Thick films are very necessary for large area coating, much thicker than what you standardly see in the academic literature for spin-coated devices. We're going to make these polymers that have properties that make them very coatable for large area printing. We know that large area printers are in many ways constrained by the physical properties that they need for the polymers. So we're going to develop polymers with the properties that they need. And we're going to make sure that these are stable. A lot of the academic literature is focused on initial PCEs, world record PCEs. But if you're going to sell a product, it's all about